Hello learners, greetings from iSect Learn, well known for better education and better careers. Welcome to today's course on LinkedIn for personal branding. In this course, you'll discover how to leverage the world's largest professional network, LinkedIn, to build your personal brand, grow your career, and attract the right opportunities. We'll guide you through practical steps to optimize your LinkedIn profile, create high-impact content, and establish a strong digital identity. You'll also learn how to create and run LinkedIn ads to increase visibility, promote your services, or support your business goals. By the end of this course, you'll be able to build a professional and optimized LinkedIn profile, understand the concept of personal branding and how to apply it, create content that highlights your skills, achievements, and expertise, connect with recruiters, professionals, and thought leaders, design and run targeted LinkedIn ads for branding and outreach. Whether you're a student, job seeker, freelancer, or working professional, this course will equip you with the tools to turn LinkedIn into your career accelerating engine. Enroll now in LinkedIn for personal branding. Let's get started and elevate your digital presence. See you in the course. Till then, happy learning.